Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier video of Bitcoin, I was showing you that it has formed a rising wedge pattern on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 24 hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that Bitcoin is trying to break out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. But you can see that here we have two more touch points. Therefore, we have more confirmed resistance like this. You can see we have stable touch points here. Therefore, I'm going to adjust this resistance line of this rising wedge pattern. And you can see we had a rejection point here. We had another rejection, and few more rejections here as well. And at the same time, you can see that Bitcoin is also trying to break out the previous support of the triangle that is now breaking as a resistance on a daily time frame chart. And I was also showing you this Elliott wave structure as well on the daily time frame chart. This was the wave 1, the impulsive wave 1, and this was the wave 2 after that, the correction wave 2 that was not retraced more than 100% of wave 1, by the way. Then we had the longest wave 3, then we have this wave 4, and now after the completion of this wave 5, this is wave 5, by the way, it is now completing the ABC structure, and this is the wave A. Then we had the correction wave B, and this is the C. And I was telling that this wave C can be moved between $59,700 to $60,000. And if it happens, then it can make another attempt to break out the previous support of the triangle that was previously breaking as a resistance. Let me show you what I was telling you in my previous video. Then we will be back to the charts in my previous video. And the C correction wave can be more than the A wave. And if I measure this A wave, then you can see that at least it can be somewhere here, approximately at $59,700. Slightly above than that, we will have the resistance support of the previous triangle, or it can be more than that as well. Therefore, now there is a probability that soon we may see an attempt to break out this previous support of the triangle that is now breaking as a resistance. And now you can see that after the completion of this C wave, it is trying to break out the previous support of the triangle that is now breaking as a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very long-term up channel. And you can see that first we broke out a very big falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you even before the breakout as well. And I was telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a move up to the top of the wedge. That was a technical target for this breakout, approximately at $70,000. And you can see that the price has rallied beyond that target. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Bioeconomy, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on 27th of May, 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. And first of all, let me to show you this Elliott wave structure. And you can see that here we have completed a perfect Elliott wave structure with ABC correction. And this was the wave 1, then we have wave 2, then we have the longest wave 3. By the way, this wave 2 is not retraced more than 100% of wave 1. Then we had the correction wave 4 and ABC. And now while forming this correction wave C, it is trying to break out the resistance of $60,000. That was breaking as a support of this descending triangle on the daily time frame chart. And you can see right now we are starting to break it out. At the same time, the price line is also trying to break out this rising wedge pattern as well. Let me show you this wedge on a 4-hour time frame chart, because this is more visible on the 4-hour. And you can see that at the same time we are trying to break out two resistance levels. We are trying to break out the $60,000 resistance that was breaking as a support of the triangle, and we are also trying to break out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. In case of rejection, the pricing can again drop down at the support of the rising wedge pattern here, approximately at $57,750. And in case of breaking down the support of this rising wedge pattern, By the way, this is a bearish bias pattern, therefore it can happen. And after the breakdown, we can expect to move up to here. That will be the technical target for this breakdown at the bottom of the wedge, approximately at $53,700. But if the price breaks out these two resistance levels, then first target for the breakout from this rising wedge pattern will be here. That is also possible. The pricing can break it out, and that target will be approximately at $65,000, and the pricing can also break out the resistance of $60,000 as well. That is working as a support of the triangle. And in case of breaking out these resistance, I am expecting a move up to the resistance of the triangle. That will be somewhere approximately at $70,000. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big falling wedge pattern, and now we have formed this very big up channel, and now the price line is almost getting bounced from the support of this channel. By the way, at the same time, we are also testing the lowest price support of the month of May 2024. That was at $56,500, and if this support will be broken down and this channel support will be also broken down, then we will have the key support here at $49,000. However, if the price line will be bounced very well from this support, and if it break out these two resistance levels, and in fact this is the complete resistance zone that starts from $69,000, that is the highest price of the month of November 2021, and goes to $73,794. That is the highest price of the month of March 2024. And after breaking out, it can imminently move up to the resistance of the channel. And this time the resistance of the channel will be somewhere here approximately at $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.